Hello everyone, this is Chris, back with another 2-hour game jam video. So I'm thinking today, or in this video, we're going to tweak this movement a little bit and maybe add some pickups, the baggage that we're going to be saving from the bats. So let's get started with that. Okay. So first, let's move the player down a bit. Let's see, how big is our screen again? 424 by 240. So maybe we'll move him down to, let's say 200. And see how that looks. Yeah, it looks like a good place. And let's tweak how our guy moves. I think I would like him to accelerate a bit faster, so we're going to move our move speed up a bit. Let's just put that to 300, see what happens. And he gets, going pretty fast. Maybe our max speed is a little too high as well. So let's bring that down to 200, and actually let's make him stop a little bit quicker. So let's double that, see how that feels. Alright, he's stopping pretty well, but maybe now that the drag is so high, his acceleration feels a bit low, so let's move that up again too. Let's put that to 600 as well. Maybe I'd like him to stop a little bit faster, so let's see, let's put that up to, let's say 900. Probably have to bring move speed back up as well. It's starting to feel kind of good. Let's bring that up a little bit. Let's see how that feels. Okay, yeah, I'm starting to I like that. That feels good. Alright, so yeah, now let's make some bags. Alright, so also, I think I was gonna, oops, let's full screen it. Maybe it'll look a little bit nicer. Alright, yeah, I changed the layout a little bit to make the code a little more visible, and made the text a little bit bigger so that I think even at 240p you'd be able to read the code. So yeah, let's make a new class here, and yeah, once again it's off the screen, sorry, but new class, and let's call this baggage, and this is going to extend to flex sprite. Okay, so again, baggage is flex sprite, so it's going to take a location number, and okay, so let's say our baggage, let's make a graphic here, and let's say it's forget the shortcut to make that pop up, but anyways, let's say our baggage is, let's see, width, let's say it's 12, and height it will be, let's say 8, and color, let's make a color here. We're going to use the color picker here, insert color. Let's say our bags are like this brown color. And then we're going to have to change, we're going to have to add opacity to that because we have an alpha in there. And let's see, I think that should be good for now anyways. So let's add some baggage, or a piece of baggage, just to test it out. New baggage. let's put that at, let's say like 300, wait, isn't that big? Yeah, that should be alright. 300, and maybe same place there. And let's see how that turns out. F5 to run it. Oh, whoa, it's all the way up there. Why is that? What did I do wrong? Oh, I forgot to call super on this. Super XX YY. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay, and there's our baggage. Oh, it's floating. Oh yeah, that's right. Because the position is measured by the top left corner, so let's bring that down. Ooh. Yeah, I was looking at a tutorial earlier. Oh, where'd it go? Did it crash? No. Okay. Alright. So, okay, so yeah, let's bring the baggage down a little bit. I think that'll be 8 pixels. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Okay, so nice. So let's see. For now, let's make it so we can pick up those bags. So we are going to need to check for collisions. So maybe just here in the play state, we'll do the collision checking. And here is a cool tip recommended from a viewer. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I just wanted to check the name of a viewer who gave me a cool tip. His name, the channel name is Zinc Interactive. He has a really cool channel. I'll link it below. He has programming videos and much better than mine, I would say. So here's a cool tip that he taught me. So I want to override the update function of the play state, and with Flash Develop, if you just type override and then just upd, it already recommends it, and I can just hit enter, and it puts all the rest of the things in there, and even calls the superclasses update function. Which I think in newer versions of Flixel you don't have to call the super update, but we'll leave it in just because. Alright, so let's collide, let's make our player collide with the baggage. So our player doesn't currently have a variable, and neither does the baggage. So let's make some property, class property for those objects. And here's another tip that I learned from Zinc Interactive. If you want to easily make a class variable, you can just start typing the name. So let's say we'll have our player, and right now it doesn't have it, but if I do, what was it? Control Shift Space? Control, 1 second, let me check real quick. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I looked it up. It's Control Shift 1, and here you can declare private variable, public. You can generate functions as well. So that is very handy. So if I go here, declare private variable, bam, there it is. It makes it for me, and then that'll be of type player, and then actually I don't think we want it there. Let's put it up here. So we're going to say player equals a new player. So let's just cut this and paste it here. And then when we add it, we'll just add player. Oops. Well, it knew what I meant. And we'll do that for the baggage, which actually we might make a a Flix group later, but for now we'll just say baggage. Did I do that right? Yeah. Actually, yeah, let's make that a Flix group now. So, Control-Shift-1, declare private. There it is, and that'll be a Flix group. And then that's going to equal a new Flix group. And then we're going to, later this will make a little bit more sense, but we're going to add baggage. Actually, let's make a bag. So bag equals, oops, no. Bag equals new, forget how to type, new baggage. And let's put that at 300, 208. So from here, let's, oh God. All right, so let's add, for baggage, we're going to add bag. No, I wanted to add bag. And then down here, we're going to add baggage. Because we might have more. Oh, that's why I didn't make bag yet. So click there, Control-Shift-1, and private, and oh, and it knows that it's baggage. Nice. Because we have that there. Okay, so for now it should still work. Let's test it out. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it's the same, but it's a little bit different. So here's what we're going to do. So in the update, we're going to use, I believe it's Flix G. There's a collide and overlap. For now, for this, we're just going to use overlap. And then we're going to when player overlaps the baggage group, we are going to run a callback function called getBag. And I think that is all we need to do. Okay, and since we haven't made getBag yet, we can use the handy dandy that and create a, this should be a private function called getBag. Okay, so when these two collide, it's going to run getBag. So let's say for now, it'll, in the console, we'll have it trace something just so we know it's working. Bag get, whoops, get. And let's see if that's working correctly. All right, and oh, it crashed. Let's see, I think I have to send, let's see, huh? What? It's not giving me any error messages. Okay. Okay, so when it crashes this bad, it doesn't translate into English because maybe wherever. But anyways, it's saying that it's expecting two. Oh no, it's not. Let's see. I think it needs two. Ah, yes, object and check object. So it needs two parameters to go into I believe, overlap. So I'll just close this and then play state. We'll just say play in, which is which would be the player, and bag in. I usually put in just so I know it's inputting into the function, which will be a Flix group, I think. Let's see if that works. Or maybe it'll be a just a Flix what's the word I'm looking for? Flix object. And let's actually stop. Oh, is it still running? Let's exit out of full screen here. Oh, cancel. View. Exit out of full screen. Why does it want me to save? Yeah, I guess I'll save. Okay. So now let's stop it. And yeah, let's just close that real quick. And run it and see if that works. Nope, still crashed. What am I doing wrong? Yet another mistake. Okay, so I think it's saying that it's what I'm trying to coerce it to be something it shouldn't be. So if I just put Flix object, see if that works. Okay, yeah, that's why. And hopefully in the console and output, yeah, bag get. So I'm getting it correctly. So very good. Let's stop that and let's close all these extra ones that I don't need anymore. Okay. And alright, good. So, oh wow, we're already 17 minutes in, over halfway. So let's see, we have collision going. So let's, what should we do next? Shall we make some bats? Let's make a bat. Alright, so we're going to add a new class again, and this is going to be the bats, which is going to be a Flix sprite. Okay. Okay, and let's say, actually let's change our colors up a little bit. So let's make this color, whoops, so this will be our background color. So let's insert color, and let's pick a nice kind of dark blue. And yeah, when you're putting colors in here, you need the pound instead of the hexadecimal 0x. So let's copy this color, and actually we're going to have to change the color in the play state as well. So when it comes up, I believe that is Flix G EG color, and I think we just make it equal to, we'll do 0x, and we'll paste that number, and we need AARGB color, so AARRGGBB color, I guess is what it is. And let's see how that looks. Alright, there we go. Yeah, looks a little bit nicer. So let's see. Yeah, let's make a bat. So, 10 minutes left. So maybe the bats will just come in over bags and just come down and grab it. Let's see. So bat will take location number, and Bomber. Okay, and we'll call super, and it'll take the X and the Y. Oops. Okay, and our bats, we're gonna make a graphic. Let's just say it's gonna be they're gonna be 8 by 8. And they're gonna be black. Let's make it black bat. So that'll be 0x full opacity and black. And that should be good. So let's see what it's gonna do for its update. So what will they want to do? Maybe they'll move toward toward the bag. So how can we do that? Let's take a look at the Flixel docs. Let's see. We might just have to program it ourselves, but maybe if we can save some time, it won't be necessary. Let's see. Graphic, make graphic. No. Let's see. Maybe in the Flix object there's something. Follow path. Refs, updates. Nope. Let's see if there's something in Flixel Power Tools that might be useful. Okay. So let's see, test suite. And this is GitHub, which is a source repository, and it's fun to use because you can look at source code that's inside. It's easy to browse things. So let's see. Gradient, power tools, velocity. I think we might just have to do it ourselves, which there's nothing wrong with that. We'll just have to think about it. So let's just say these guys, if maybe they're always going to be coming down, so let's give them a behavior or a method that they'll move down. So move, we'll call it, let's call it descend. Descend. Is that how you spell descend? And let's make a private function descend. And descend, it will make its y velocity. No. Should we do velocity? No. Let's do acceleration. Oh, maybe we should just do velocity. So yeah, let's do velocity y equals, let's say, maybe we'll move kind of slow, 30. Okay, and actually let's also set up our max speed. And I don't think we need to do that. We got to save time here. Only 6 minutes left in this video. So on super update, we'll descend. Although we don't need to do that consistently. We only need to set it once. Uh-oh. How should we think about this? Let's give them a property of descending. So descending, I think is how you spell that. Or is there an S in there? Descending. I've never really spelled that word. I feel weird not knowing. I know it's a waste of time, but descend. Okay. SCEND, okay. Descending. we'll make it a Boolean. Oh wait, can I do that here? If I do that, generate private variable. Okay, it's a Boolean. Okay, and I think when it starts, it will be descending. Equals true. And in the update, we'll put if descending velocity y equals 30. Although, again, that seems a little bit weird because we'll be setting it to 30 every step. I don't know if that's really necessary. Oh well, we'll leave it for now. Alright. So, and we want them to move toward the bags. So, a bag. Oh, let's see. It's gonna need to know where the bags are. So maybe we'll just place them above the bags. No time to worry about that. So I think as is, let's see if this works. So let's make a new bat. So we'll go to the play state and let's make a bat. Declare. Let's see, be a bat. Okay, and let's make bat. Oops, underscore bat equals new bat. And let's put them just above the bag. So it's at 300. And we'll start him a little bit outside the screen. Let's say negative 16. And let's add the bat. Add bat. Underscore bat. I think that should do it. Let's give it a test. Hopefully I didn't do anything wrong. Yep, there's our bat. Coming down to take our bags. No, you can't have it. Oh, you don't want it? Okay, that's cool. Alright. And we'll have a check for when the bats overlap. B. So we'll do bat and baggage. And we'll call it bat get. And we'll create a private function, bat get, and we'll just trace bat get. Okay, and it's gonna take bat in, which will be a bat, and bag in is, I'll just say a flicks object. And let's see if that works. And if I can bring up the output. And when he crosses over it, we should see bat get, bat get. Okay, there we go, bat get. Alright, wow, I'm thinking maybe 2 hours won't be enough to actually make this game work. But I think that'll be it for this video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you want to see more, I guess I'll ask you to subscribe and all that kind of promotional stuff. And I'll see you next time.